This is the Samsung Galaxy A23, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, open any search engine that you'd like, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you gotta type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website, and open the page. Onwards, you gotta tap on the download the app from Epic Games link. After that, confirm that you would like to download the file anyway, then open it. Prior to installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required that you allow the browser or search engine that you use to install unknown apps, which you can do by going into settings and switching on this permission for Chrome, or in my case for Chrome, in your case it can be Opera, Yahoo, or any other tool that you use to download the APK file. Now we can, once it is installed of course, launch the Epic Games app, then tap on this black get button in front of a Fortnite, and after that, on this yellow install button that will, first and foremost download all the necessary files. So let's just wait. So, it seems like the Epic Games have successfully downloaded the Fortnite. So let me just go ahead and launch the game. And from here, all that, needs to be done is for the updates and resources to be downloaded. So wait until this process is finished, and then you'll be able to start playing the game already. So that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.